Hi, I'm Lauren.
Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, I'm Casey.
Hi, I'm Philly.
Hi, I'm Stevie.
And together, we're Hi-5!
Hi, I've got a mystery to solve today. How to open these boxes and find out what's inside. Now, I've found these different shaped keys and I figure they'll help me open up these boxes. Match the shape, find the right shape key. Open up the box and inside you'll see something surprising for you and me. Hey, check out this key. It's star-shaped and sharp and pointy. Well, that reminds me, one of these boxes is covered in stars. Oh, and this key is star-shaped, and this keyhole is star-shaped too. Perfect match. Well, let's see what's inside. Wow, gold stars, cool. In a star box with a star key. Okay, next key, the moon-shaped key. Now, I reckon I can figure out which box this key opens. Right over, no, not here, over here. See, we've got smooth, curvy crescent shapes, a smooth, curvy crescent-shaped key, and a smooth, curvy crescent-shaped keyhole. I think we have a match. Now, I predict that inside this box we might just find some smooth, curvy crescent shapes. Let's see. Wow, I was right! Smooth, curvy crescent shapes. Cool. But hang on. So we've got a star box open with a star key full of star shapes and a moon box open with the moon key full of moon shapes. Now, I sense a pattern happening here, and we've got one more box to go. Let's go. Match the shapes, find the right shape key. Open up the box and inside you'll see something surprising for you and me. Wow, so this key is shaped like a little person. And this box is covered with pictures of people. So I guess that means that inside this box is lots of little people. Well, there's only one way to find out. Ooh, what's this? Oh, wow! The little person inside this box was a jack-in-the-box. Wow, that was a huge surprise.
Hi, I'm a bug in a box. Hey, 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 I'm a bug in a box. Hiding and hiding until I go pop. Then I wiggle and I jiggle, arms and legs on the go. I'm a boppin' bug in a box. Hey! Feel like being a bug in a box too? Then come on! Hey, 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 I'm a bug in a box. Hiding and hiding until I go pop. Then I wiggle and I jiggle, arms and legs on the go. I'm a boppin' bug in a box. Woo! Now it's time for this bug to beetle off. Bye. Hi, I'm making a yummy fruit platter today, and I'm using fruit that has a surprise in each one. First, kiwi fruit.
What was that? Look! What's this funny thing? It's roundish, green, and lumpy. Is it a fruit? I should check the fruit book. Now this book has lots of interesting things about fruit. Here we go. Oh! It's a match! This fruit is called a custard apple. Now, I'll cut the custard apple and the kiwi in half. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Hey, hey, hey! It's a fruity rainbow. Hey, hey, hey! It's a fruity kind of day. All the different colors nature's putting on a show. Hey, hey, hey! It's a fruity rainbow. Ta-da! Now, the kiwi fruit is brown and furry on the outside and, surprise, bright green on the inside. It's got a pretty pattern too. A black circle made of lots and lots of little seeds. There. And the custard apple is green and lumpy on the outside and creamy on the inside. And it's got black seeds too. Isn't that a surprise? Next is passion fruit. Now this fruit is dark and wrinkly crinkly on the outside. I wonder what's inside. Chop chop! What was that? Look! It's a round red fruit. I better check the fruit book. Oh! Look! It's a pomegranate! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Hey, hey, hey! It's a fruity rainbow. Hey, hey, hey! It's a fruity kind of day. All the different colors nature's putting on a show. Hey, hey, hey! It's a fruity rainbow. Whoop. There. And the passion fruit. I love passion fruit. It's yellow on the inside and it has black seeds too. Bigger than the kiwi fruit seeds. There. The pomegranate has seeds as well. Wow! Look at that crimson red colour. Isn't fruit amazing? Chop chop! What was that? Whoa! Look at this. I've never seen anything like it. I must check the fruit book. Let's see. It's a dragon fruit. It's like a weird and wonderful alien fruit. I wonder what's inside this beauty. Wow! Lots and lots of tiny black seeds. It's so beautiful. It can be my special fruity decoration. There. I can't wait to show the guys.
Chop Chop love fruits! Woohoo!
Watermelon!
Hi, I'm a little red dragon searching for my favorite treat, red dragon fruit. I wonder if there's any nearby. I can smell a tiny hint of red dragon fruit. Let's see if we can find it. I'm a little red dragon in search of a treat, sniffing the air, creeping on my feet with little dragon leaps. A 1, 2, 3. This little red dragon is as happy as can be. Think I can smell some in this direction. I'm a little red dragon in search of a treat, sniffing the air, creeping on my feet with little dragon leaps. A 1, 2, 3. This little red dragon is as happy as can be. Whoa! The perfect perfect treat. Little red dragon fruit for a hungry little red dragon. Yum.
Making a celery noise.
Let me see. I must
Grab one eye. Guys, crazy. Is that like a person? No. High five!
Hello, Detective Fox here, and my job is to sort out sounds and find out who's making them. And with these big ears, no sound is too small for me to hear. Detective Fox, that's who I am, and I can crack any musical scam. I listen hard with my great big ears, and I solve the case. Never fear, I'm Detective Fox, and I hear it all. Detective Fox, all you do is call. Ooh. Did you hear that scratchy, scratchy sound? Come on, it looks like I'm on my first sound sorting case. Yep, there goes that sound again. Aha! It's Beaver gnawing on some wood.
Whoa! Hello there, Detective Fox. Well, I'm just gnawing on some wood to keep my teeth shiny and healthy. See?
Oh, nice work. Looks like the scratchy sound is sorted. Oh, something different. Tap, tap, tap. Sounds like I'm on my next case. Detective Fox, that's who I am. And I can crack any musical scam. I listen hard with my great big ears, and I'll solve the case. Never fear, I'm Detective Fox, and I hear it all. Detective Fox, all you do is call. Ooh, I just need to listen really hard to this tap, tap, tap sound now. Aha, got it. That tapping sound is getting louder. That means we must be getting close. Oh, it's Woodpecker making that tap, tap, tap sound.
Oh, hi, Detective Fox. I didn't quite hear you. I was tapping very loudly.
Oh, yes, you certainly were.
I'm picking a hole for my new nest.
Wow, what a great sound. But I think we might leave you to it.
Oh.
See ya.
Bye!
Ah, well, that sound is sorted. Ooh, do you hear that? A sort of buzzy sound. Aha, a beehive. I wonder if there are any little bees inside. Ooh, look. This little bee has a big buzzy sound. Huh. Well, it looks like my sound sorting work is done for the day. Time for me to buzz off. Hurrah!
Thanks, Tim. Looks like you're doing a bit of jogging on the spot there.
Well, you could call it that. If I was a human, you would call it jogging. Yeah. But if I was a horse, you would call it trotting.
And why might you be a horse today?
Well, I'm not going to be a horse. I'm going to ride a horse. And you are too.
Cool. We're going trotting.
Yeah. Looks like it's time for another Fitbit tip.
Yeah.
Trot, 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 trot.
So, Pete, can you give us the Fitbit tip on how we go trotting?
You kick the horse until it walks, then you kick the horse again and it goes trotting, and then you go up, down, up, down.
Ah, so up, down, up, down.
Oh, I get it, Pete. So when the horse is trotting, you go up, down, up, down, up, down. Should we give it a go?
Yeah!
Up, down, up, down, up, down.
did you want to have a look at my latest invention?
Yeah, a toaster. I think I've seen one of those before, Casey.
No, but this is my amazing mind-reading toaster.
A mind-reading toaster? Wow, well, how does it work?
Okay, well, first you have to put on this mind-reading helmet and you have to think of a letter. Any letter you like, but concentrate really hard.
I need to pick a letter, yet I can't make up my mind. Is there a better letter than the letter that I find? Floating round inside my head, waiting in there to be read.
Okay, chats, are you concentrating?
Really, really hard. Yep, thought of a letter.
Okay, chats, now watch the mind-reading toaster. It worked!
Yeah, your toaster made toast.
Not just any toast, chats. Now, what letter were you concentrating on?
J, the letter J.
J!
Wow, the letter J. Case, the mind-reading toaster read my mind. Can I have another go?
Oh, yeah, sure you can, chats.
Okay, this time I'm going to concentrate on a different letter.
Ooh.
Let's see, which one? I need to pick a letter, yet I can't make up my mind. Is there a better letter than the letter that I find? Floating round inside my head, waiting in there to be read. All right, I've got another letter. Yep. Did it work? I thought about the letter A.
The letter A!
Wow, Casey, you have to try this. Go on,
All right, I will. Chats, what letter am I going to concentrate on?
go on.
I need to pick a letter, but I can't make up my mind. Is there a better letter than the letter that I find? Floating round inside my head, waiting in there to be read. Okay.
Are you concentrating, Casey?
Well, yeah, I am. Oh, did it work? Did it work, chat? I thought about the letter M.
M! Wow, Casey, that mind-reading toaster is amazing!
I know, but chat, all this mind reading's making me really hungry.
Yeah.
Do you think we should have some breakfast?
Yeah! Toast! Oh, but what will we have on it?
How about we have some jam?
Yeah, jam! Casey, you read my mind.
Good morning, early risers. I hope you're ready for breakfast. Excellent. Wake up in the morning and it's brekkie time. Eggs are on the menu. Any way is fine, but you have to choose how you want your eggs done. So put in your order before you've got to run. Hey! Scrambled, boiled, poached or fried, sunny side up or on the side, a shake of salt and pepper and a piece of buttered toast. Scrambled, boiled, poached or fried, sunny side up or on the side, eggs are on the menu, so why not make the most? So, what will it be? Scrambled, boiled, poached or fried? Breakfast is ready!
Our hidden treasure today is something we all enjoy having at a party. It's a sparkly disco ball. So look really closely and see if you can spot it. But first...
Ah, I think I've got it.
I asked Tim to come up with a new party song.
The perfect party song. Today is the day, it's party day. Full of surprises, party, food and fun.
I also sent an invitation to Felly. I asked her to make a cake.
I can't wait for this party. And I'm nearly ready now.
And I asked Lauren to come up with a great party dance.
I can't wait to share my party dance with the others. It's almost time for the party.
And Stevie is making up a new party game.
It's pass the parcel, but no ordinary pass the parcel. There are 5 shapes hidden inside.
Last but not least, I asked Casey to come up with a great party drink.
A delicious fruit punch, all done. But where is everyone? Come to think of it, I'm not even really sure where the party's meant to be.
I thought they were all ready. So where are they?
It's funny, I'm all ready for the party, but no one's arrived at my place yet.
Chop chop!
Was that someone for the party? Oh, no. But here's the invitation. There's definitely a party on. I thought it was here.
It's almost time for the party and there's no one at my place yet.
Oh no! If only they'd look at the other side of the invitation.
Hey, maybe this party's on somewhere else. Maybe Tim's place. Yeah.
Guys, just turn the invitation over. Oh no, Tim's gone to Lauren's.
Lauren?
Oh no, Lauren's gone to Stevie's.
Stevie!
Stevie went to visit Felly, who went to visit Tim. And now they've all ended up in Casey's space.
But I thought the party was at my place.
Me too. I've got the party dance ready.
Well, I've got the cake I was asked to bring.
I've got the game. Hey, Casey, is this your party?
Well, guys, I didn't send out the invitation. I don't think the party's meant to be here.
Well, where?
Turn the invitation over, guys.
Party in the park!
Now it really is time to party.
Surprise!
Today's the day, it's party day. Full of surprises, party, food and fun. Today's the day, it's party day. We're gonna dance and sing and play and run. Hip, hip, hooray for party day.
It was one of the best parties ever. That's once everybody got there, of course. So, did you spot our sparkly disco ball? There it is! You're radical! Now it's time to party over there, guys!